Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my face again. Today I'm going to do a review about this device. Some of you asked me about it and we have been speaking about this device. It has 6 applies. Basically, it has LED lights, ultrasound, vibration to help to penetrate products, and ultrasound helps to plump your face. Well, LED lights are awesome for acne, to increase your collagen, your texture. It's awesome for your skin. And it also has a EMS, which is like microcurrent but stronger, and it works in a different way. I will show you how. And it has galvanic current, and I don't know what else. I will show you. So we have this one, and when we start, we have LED lights. Red light, we can change the light. I will show you. So we have red light. This is the lower power. We can increase it. The green one, I love this green one, and I also love red light. Blue one is awesome for acne. Amber or yellow, I use it that too for my wrinkles. And purple one, it combines two lights, 2 different lights, and I like to use it. And this function, look at this. Okay, it also has radiofrequency and EMS, which is like microcurrent, and it works on this side, EMS, radiofrequency, and EMS, and LED lights. And in this side, we can use ultrasound. We can also use vibration to help products to penetrate to our skin. We can take it off. I will show you how it works without it. And it has galvanic current here. So I want to try this one today, but I think it would be better if I start with 2 applies to show you how it works and to see how it works on my skin. 2 or 3 applies, and in another video I can do the other functions, because if I use all of them, we should never know which works and which doesn't work. So I want to be honest with you and show you the best applies for this device and the worst. So I'm going to clean my face, and I will here. Okay, here I am. I'm going to try, we can try in fact, LED light, radiofrequency, and electrocurrent is EMS together, but I will not use LED light right now because I want to see how my face moves, if it moves. Using the EMS function, we are going to need ultrasound gel or any conductivity gel, and I'm going to use radiofrequency and EMS. So I'm going to use this, and I'll be here in a minute. I have ultrasound. I wash my face, I clean my face first, and then I apply ultrasound gel, and I will use radiofrequency and EMS. I don't want to use LED lights or another apply because I want to see if it really works. So I'm going to use 2 functions and then another 2. So I'm going to put it on the maximum level, and oh wait, oh I really feel it. Oh yes, it's too hard. It's very, very high. Oh God, look at my eyes. Look at this. Look at, can you see that? Oh my God. The EMS really, really works. About radio frequency, I feel it warm, but I didn't feel as hot as my radio frequency machine or the radio frequency machine that I recommend you. But this EMS function, I am surprised. It's a big surprise for me. So look at my eyes. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. My eyes is closed. I like it. I really, really like EMS function. I don't like radio frequency. I want to be honest with you guys. And we have to use this. Oh God, this is strong. And I am not on the highest power level. Oh, I feel it. Oh, I like it. I like EMS function. I love it. But if you have this device, I think you should have another radio frequency machine because it's not that strong for radio frequency. But for EMS function, which is like microcurrent, it really works. I recommend you guys for this function. Oh, my face is moving. This is bizarre, but I really like it. I have my mirror here, so let me see. Oh God, my eyes are closed. So I love it. I love this function. Okay, I don't like radio frequency. I will stop it. I don't like radio frequency, but I really love EMS. So I think I'm going to take it off this ultrasound gel and I will use the electroporation function with all of these products I will show you. So I will wash my face again and I will hear in a minute. So give me a second. Okay, I'm here again. I'm going to use ARGIRELINE. I want to apply on my face. And we'll see how much it penetrates. I have my mirror there. That's why I'm looking there all the time. I have another mirror here, so in my eyes, it's really good. Okay, let's go with ARGIRELINE and again. So I want a higher level. Let's see. Okay, I feel it. Oh yes. As an electroporation machine, which means virtual mesotherapy, it really, really works. I love it. I love how it works. I will compare this with my professional machine tomorrow to show you how it works and how my professional machine works. They do the same. I love this electroporation function. Yes, I will try another one. So let me see. Okay. Okay. Oh yes, look how the product penetrates. It really works. Definitely, I love EMS and I love electroporation in this device. I don't like radiofrequency. I am honest, guys. But electroporation and EMS, I love it. Oh, I can also use it here. Look how the product penetrates. It's crazy, but it really works. I love it. So, as far it has 6 applies, I only use 3 of them. 2 EMS and electroporation. I love it. I definitely love it. And I didn't like radiofrequency. And I have 3 more applies to try with this. And I will do it not now, tomorrow, or in the next video in a few minutes. No, tomorrow. And 3 applies. Radiofrequency, I don't like it. EMS, it's a big yes. And radiofrequency and electroporation, it's a big yes. So as far, I love this little device. So, okay. We are going to try this device tomorrow with ultrasound, vibration, galvanic current, and LED light. So, thank you so much, guys. We see you tomorrow.